it's the dually. Friday it's the squad. Saturday and Sunday, groupies bout to fly. Every other day, you know I'm counting up the guap. I got plenty money, TJ got the hoes. I got plenty alcohol and TJ got the dough. If they got a problem, we want all the smoke. I leave them like the back end of my truck down on the floor.
Hey, I'm running up the truck sitting up in the air, but I got mud flying all up on the dairy, yeah. Hit the Georgia squad with some Georgia peaches in the front seat, booty looking just like a fair. And now they fighting over free, saying that they fail. But listen, bitch, I got a plan for you hoes. They ain't finna be no fighting over who gon' get me this time. But shout out, I'm finna handle you both. And we can take it to the tailgate, but really we can't, because I promise that my truck sitting up in the way. The wheel slide from the bed right up into the clay. White shirt, killer shirt, shit is all getting stained. And if you're getting filthy, bitch, I promise you gon' take a shower before you even think of getting in the passenger side. I got a full house of cold 45, and I'd rather that you smell them out liquor than the fuck on my ride.
Riding around my county, got my eyes out for the cops. The front end of my truck, sit up the back end of it squat. My truck be full of empties and my pockets full of guap. Keep me zooming through your city, I'm like damn a traffic stop. Ayy, front end sitting up, the back end of it squat. The front end of my truck, sit up the back end of it squat. I'm just riding through the county with my eyes out for the cops. While the front end of my truck, sit up the back end of it squat.
Squat, squat, that's right. My front end sit up, my back end squat. Carolina, Florida, Georgia, Tennessee, we all out here, the Southeast, let's go. That's right, it's your boy DJ Kenneth Bandit. All my trucks out there, the Carolina squad, the Georgia squads, the North Carolina squads. We out here, shoot the broom.
Riding around my county, got my eyes out for the cops. The front end of my truck, sit up the back end of it squat. My truck be full of empties and my pockets full of guap. Keep me zooming through your city, I'm like damn a traffic stop. Ayy, front end sitting up, the back end of it squat. The front end of my truck, sit up the back end of it squat. I'm just riding through the county with my eyes out for the cops. While the front end of my truck, sit up the back end of it squat.
Left hand on the wheel, right hand on the Glock. Monday it's the dually, Friday it's the squad. Saturday and Sunday, groupies bout to fly. Every other day, you know I'm counting up the guap. I got plenty money, TJ got the hoes. I got plenty alcohol and TJ got the dough. If they got a problem, we want all the smoke. I leave them like the back end of my truck down on the floor.
Hey, I'm running up the truck sitting up in the air, but I got mud flying all up on the dairy, yeah. Hit the Georgia squad with some Georgia peaches in the front seat, booty looking just like a fair. And now they fighting over free, saying that they fail. But listen, bitch, I got a plan for you hoes. They ain't finna be no fighting over who gon' get me this time. But shout out, I'm finna handle you both. And we can take it to the tailgate, but really we can't, because I promise that my truck sitting up in the way. The wheel slide from the bed right up into the clay. White shirt, killer shirt, shit is all getting stained. And if you're getting filthy, bitch, I promise you gon' take a shower before you even think of getting in the passenger side. I got a full house of cold 45, and I'd rather that you smell them out liquor than the fuck on my ride.
Riding around my county, got my eyes out for the cops. The front end of my truck, sit up the back end of it squat. My truck be full of empties and my pockets full of guap. Keep me zooming through your city, I'm like damn a traffic stop. Ayy, front end sitting up, the back end of it squat. The front end of my truck, sit up the back end of it squat. I'm just riding through the county with my eyes out for the cops. While the front end of my truck, sit up the back end of it squat.
Squat, squat, that's right. My front end sit up, my back end squat. Carolina, Florida, Georgia, Tennessee, we all out here, the Southeast, let's go. That's right, it's your boy DJ Kenneth Bandit. All my trucks out there, the Carolina squad, the Georgia squads, the North Carolina squads. We out here, shoot the broom.
Riding around my county, got my eyes out for the cops. The front end of my truck, sit up the back end of it squat. My truck be full of empties and my pockets full of guap.
Yeah.
Mama, I got bad news.
So, let's paint a picture really quickly. You're pretty new to squad, and you've not long got on after a hard day at work. You're about 45 minutes into a game of random advance and secure, and you're fairly enjoying yourself. And you...
That's right, it's your boy DJ Kenneth Bandit. All my trucks out there, the Carolina squad, the Georgia squads, the North Carolina squads. We out here, shoot the broom.
Riding around my county, got my eyes out for the cops. The front end of my truck, sit up the back end of it squat. My truck be full of empties and my pockets full of guap. Keep me zooming through your city, I'm like damn a traffic stop. Ayy, front end sitting up, the
Glock. Monday it's the dually, Friday it's the squad. Saturday and Sunday, groupies bout to fly. Every other day, you know I'm counting up the guap. I got plenty money, TJ got the hoes. I got plenty alcohol and TJ got the dough. If they got a problem, we want all the smoke. I leave them like the back end of my truck down on the floor.
Hey, running of the truck sitting up in the air, but I got mud flying all up on the dairy, yeah. Hit the Georgia squad with some Georgia peaches in the front seat, booty looking just like a fair. And now they fighting over free, saying that they fail. But listen, bitch, I got a plan for you hoes. They ain't finna be no fighting over who gon' get me this time. Cause shout out, I'm finna handle you both. And we can take it to the tailgate, but really we can't. Because I promise in my truck sitting up in the way that we gon' slide from the bed right up into the clay. White shirt, color shirt, shit is all getting stained. And if you getting filthy, bitch, I promise you gon' take a shower before you even think of getting in the passenger side. I got a 40 house of cold 45, and I'd rather that you smell a malt liquor than the fuck I'ma ride.
Riding around my county, got my eyes out for the cops. The front end of my truck, sit up the back end of it squat. My truck be full of empties and my pockets full of guap. Keep me zooming through your city, I'm like damn a traffic stop. Ayy, front end sitting up, the back end of it squat. The front end of my truck, sit up the back end of it squat. I'm just riding through the county with my eyes out for the cops. While the front end of my truck, sit up the back end of it squat.
Squat. That's right. My front end sit up, my back end squat. Carolina, Florida, Georgia, Tennessee. We all out here, the Southeast. Let's go.
These motherfuckers are built, not bought, boy. My fucking light bar and my HIDs keep me stacking up these tickets from the county police. I stay smashing on these bitches cause my truck's so clean. Yeah, I miss to put your girl up in my passenger seat. I got that radio crank, sounding like a damn concert. Tattoos on my skin, like I said, fuck a job first. Riding as a crew, but we rolling as a family. Shout out to Robertson and Cheatham County, riding in this bitch. What you staring at, son? AR in the back, glass your girlfriend mugging. Tell her I said she got a fat ass. Tell her I got that 6-0, blowing all that black smoke. She wanna ride with me if we finna hit that back road. Chrome on the grill, lights in the wheels, paint job looking hotter than a moonshot still. Whole squad squatted up, let me tell you how it feels. Jacked up, sitting back, that's the Tennessee tilt. Tennessee tilt, Tennessee tilt. Everybody in my county rock that Tennessee tilt. Tennessee tilt, Tennessee tilt. Everybody in my county rock that Tennessee tilt. It's that Tennessee tilt, gotta ride with a lean like a redneck pimp, looking country boy clean. I got them windows down while we ride through the mud with a jar full of clear and a bag full of light. Rockin' Charlie Merlin Hank, cause I like that old sound, like that grit, dirt, spit, making every hit count. Way back in the sticks where it all goes down. If you really wanna know, then take a ride through my town. I can call up the squad, we can hit a back road, way back in the hollow where nobody else goes. I got that truck slide sideways, I almost hit a pole. Everybody yelling hell yeah, cause we don't say no. Oh yeah, some bitch, I don't even know what slow is. In this hillbilly running through this whole showbiz. I'm old school like moon pies and RC coke, and still running around the creek with my old day one friends. Chrome on the grill, lights in the wheels, paint job looking hotter than a moonshot still. Whole squad squatted up, let me tell you how it feels. Jacked up, sitting back, that's the Tennessee tilt. Tennessee tilt, Tennessee tilt. Everybody in my county rock that Tennessee tilt. Tennessee tilt, Tennessee tilt. Everybody in my county rock that Tennessee tilt. Lights in the wheels, paint job looking hotter than a moonshot still. Whole squad squatted up, let me tell you how it feels. Jacked up, sitting back, that's the Tennessee tilt. Tennessee tilt, Tennessee tilt. Tennessee tilt,
once, but not no time since 91. I feel there's a person inside of me, and he comes and goes as he really wants. That's why every album I've ever made is a different person through a camera's touch. I bury clocks in the topsoil, cause it's man-made and they called it what? Staring at circles, living in a circle, lifelines circle when it's up immortal. But those things are hurdles when your mind's immortal and they wash your brain through a square portal. Ain't no television, tell me lies, why? Cause I have a vision. My mind's position is of ancient times, and the other me makes all decisions. I come from past the stars to live below the clouds, made to walk a line to help you figure out the reason for things that rarely are explained. Universal DNA in my vein, and I know it sounds bizarre. I'm from past the stars. Yeah, it sounds bizarre. I'm from past the stars. They call you crazy for thinking too much, then too connected means losing touch. But humans don't crave normal ones, but the abstract gets subtracted from every TV, every red carpet, every talk show that is programmed. Lights flicker when I walk up in a room full of people with some shut penal gland. No devil lurks around me, I'm a ghost of God, no need to search. Why when I came down to earth, the whole world called me up church. I beat the odds of a race war, cause racing towards war hurts us all. So we built up bigger armies, bigger weapons with some bigger walls, but I broke them all. I come from past the stars to live below the clouds, made to walk a line to help you figure out the reason for things that rarely are explained. Universal DNA in my vein, and I know it sounds bizarre. I'm from past the stars. Yeah, it sounds bizarre. I'm from past the stars. From everywhere at every time, with everyone at every place. Seconds, minutes, hours, wrapped inside a glass until it breaks. And if we leave our face, we'd need some glass and a suit with some air. So I stay grounded and gaze at how beautiful it is up there. I come from past the stars to live below the stars, made to walk a line to help you figure out. I come from past the reason for things that rarely are explained. Universal DNA in my veins, and I know it sounds bizarre. I'm from past the stars. It sounds bizarre. I'm from past the stars.
Church. Motherfucker. Alright, look, I got something to tell you.
Tell your favorite rapper I said fuck all his opinions. Tell my biggest enemies they weaken on my shit list. I'ma roll this J and kill it, wrapped in sheets made of linen. Smile at cameras like a villain, already got my recognition. I'm